Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night and a great week, folks. Always do your best. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means you can enjoy the dream that's happening right here, right now. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials close up 135, NASDAQ up 83, S&P's up 23. Gold contract down $6.20 at $12.8790. Silver flat, $17.07 an ounce. Platinum down 16 bucks, $9.68 an ounce. Copper down a penny, $2.90 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.35, $47.47 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 86, 126.17. 30-year bond off 10, 155.05. King dollar up 349 ticks, trading at 93.305. The euro is at 117, almost 118 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 109.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We go up 238 in the SPY. You're at 246.50. You do 64 million shares versus your downdraft of 120. Bottom line, you finished over the 246.44. That means you can go to higher price. Anemic, but bottom line, you finished over it. So I expect more than likely you're going to try to hit the lows of the high, which is 248.91. Today we got the 246.83 rather. 246 is 248.91 is the high. 246.83 is the low of the high that was generated last week. We got to 246.79 today. Inside the NDX 100, the three Qs, same type of setup, meaning we got up dramatically lighter volume. We did 33 million versus a downdraft of 63. We are at 143.93, and that puts game that it can test the high of last week, which is 145.47. The actual high inside the NDX, folks, is 145.96. Dow Industrials. And now, what we have had happen is this. So picture. Well, let's do the Dow first. Dow is up $135. You're at 21,993. That's going to go after the lows of the high, which is the 22,057. That's only 63 points higher than we are right now. And if we go back to the S&P for a second, what you're going to see is that, well, first go back to the Qs. What you're going to see, the Qs gave us the first warning shot, big time. Well, it gave us 3 separate warning shots. Now we have 4. That was on May 17th. May 17th and 18th, cracks, go low, goes lower, go to a higher high, cracks again on the 9th of June. Takes about a month to get to a higher high. Actually, a month and a half. Gets it, cracks down again. We did another one on Thursday. Bottom line, that is a chart that's cracked. Now, that was the only chart that was cracked. That being said, now we have the S&P that has also cracked. You know, it's the same days, meaning May 17th and 18th in June. And then what you did have on Friday, though, the S&P got low enough, it got back inside its lower range, and it cracked. The Dow Industrials has not cracked. The Dow hasn't cracked. We'll see if that's the next crack. What's cracked in a big way is the Russell 2000. Russell 2000, we went up 19 bucks today. Big expansion. You know, didn't get over the highs of last Thursday, which is 12, was 13.96. But when you do take a look at this, what you're going to see, this thing was fast and furious on the way down. You're still at December of 2016 inside the Russell 2000. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Okay, so gold out here, folks, you have a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. Gold took out its B point last Wednesday, took it out with volume. You get a price projection of 1326. Now, that being said, I suspect we're going to build a bit more cause here. The reason being is that the gold contract itself needs more cause in order to get through the downdraft from October. October, the gold contract went from 1316 to 1249 of 2016. In November, we went from 1338 to 1218. That level there we've been trying to get through since November. When you take a look at the amount of contracts as we get up to 1294, bottom line, we need more contract volume, we need more cause, because I expect what you're going to see is that we're not only going to finish the ABC structure on the way up, this contract looks to me like it wants to go to the 1377 area. And if you do have an interest inside the metals market, folks, I did the 799th gold report today. We actually do have a buy in there. We're doing a special for the 800th gold report, which is next Monday. You can get 60 editions for $600. That's $10 an edition. Bottom line, you're saving 50%. If you're a subscriber right now, you can take advantage of it. You want to be a new subscriber, you can take advantage of it. That special is on from today until next week. So check it out, the front page website at TFNN. Silver, let's go take a look at the silver market. What you have with silver is this. Silver hanging tough up here. We've done 72,000 contracts today, which is great contract volume. Last time, it's pushing 100. It did 100 on Thursday. It did 94 Friday. Today it did 70. That's a good situation. Bottom line, silver also looks like to me like it wants to go to the 1780 area, and we'll see whether that can make it up to the 1878 area, because it looks to me like 1878 is game. Now, the problem inside the metals right now, let's go over to the dollar, because the dollar still looks like you're going to get a dead cat bounce going. Dollar went up today, light volume. You did 13,000 contracts. If this wasn't a dead cat bounce, the dollar would be doing about 30,000, folks. So I expect we're still going to see the dollar at 95 or 96. That's going to be the B to a C of a much larger ABC structure down that takes the dollar into the 88 area. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow finished up 135. NASDAQ up 83. S&P's up 23. We're going to be right back.